sandwich is not good.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna show you how to make a sandwich. We need to use lettuce and ham.
Cheese.
One sandwich is done.
Thank you.
Let's make one sandwich for you.
Cheese. Ham.
Lettuce. Thank you, Maddie. Let's eat.
Yummy.
Maddie! Maddie! Where's Maddie?
What would you like?
I want a banana shake.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go.
This is not a banana milkshake.
Uh-oh.
I'll show you how to make one. Let's go.
Banana.
Let's make some milkshakes. Awesome! Let's cut it. Now we add milk. Ready. Here you go, Maddie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go, Maddie. Now you know how to make milkshakes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yummy.
Maddie! Huh? Where's Maddie?
Uh-oh. What would you like?
I want pancakes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Ready. Here you go.
What is this? No. I'll show you how to make pancakes. Let's go. Maddie, we need to use this.
Okay.
Let's add milk. And bananas. Let's put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Let's wait.
Okay.
I think it's ready. Looks delicious. Let's add honey. Delicious. Maddie, now you know how to cook a lot of food.
Thank you, Andrea.
Let's go.
Maddie!
What would you like?
Hot dog, please.
Okay.
You can do it, Maddie.
Yes. Red. Mayo. Ready. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, looks delicious.
You like it?
Now you're great at cooking.
Yes, Maddie, your food is delicious.
Thank you.
Bye.